Hello and welcome to this lesson on architecture, where we'll review SAP ECC versus Oracle Fusion Cloud. After completing this lesson, you should be able to describe and compare the architecture between legacy SAP ECC to Oracle Fusion Cloud. What are the architecture choices for an SAP customer that comes from an on-premise traditional SAP Business Suite 7 environment? You have multi-options, such as you can run your application on an infrastructure as a service. The infrastructure delivers fundamental compute, network and storage resources to consumers on demand, over the internet and on a pay-as-you-go basis. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, is Oracle's infrastructure as a service option. For example, all the SAP software running on Oracle databases like SAP ECC are certified by SAP to run on OCI infrastructure. The next choice is to run your application on a platform as a service. This is a platform creating and delivering software over the web. Developers work without worrying about updates, operating systems and load balancing. Oracle offers a PaaS on the Oracle Fusion platform. Another choice is to run your business applications, including ERP, as a software as a service or SaaS. Here the software is hosted on remote services. Oracle offers the Oracle Cloud solutions on the Oracle Fusion platform as a fused suite of applications built together on the same instance and platform. Let's briefly consider what are the main differences between on-premise ERP and the Oracle Cloud native solution. It should be obvious that you own the solution, the infrastructure and the network as an on-premise customer. While with cloud solutions, you rent services and Oracle manages for you the platform and infrastructure, offering high security and standard access. Also, solution can be accessed from anywhere from different devices. You may ask yourself, what makes the differences? Where is the value added of public cloud solutions? While with on-premise ERPs, you are responsible for the upgrades and patches. With the Oracle Cloud, your solution is quarterly patched, and updates with new functionality and innovations are activated regularly, so that you benefit from all of these innovations and activations every quarter. While the on-premise ERP is up to date in day one after go live, then will quickly become outdated and requires complex upgrade projects in time that usually are postponed. With Oracle Cloud, the vitality of the software is maintained. Another major difference is that with on-premise ERPs, you're allowed to develop, to customize and modify the standard processes, and you don't benefit from the software best practice. This is why your IT team will have to dedicate most of their time to ERP developments, and the business team will only be involved at the end of the project to test the modified process. With Oracle Cloud, customizations are not recommended since modern best practices are provided and pre-configured. You configure and create extensions to those standard best practices. In this way, the business team is involved from the start of the project in early visualization of standard processes and works closely with IT to maintain and evolve the final solution. The SAP architecture approach, the one you've been working with, is different from the Oracle Cloud. Since the 90s and early 2000s, SAP launched different on-premise platforms such as SAP Enterprise Resource Planning, SAP Customer Relationship Management, SAP Supplier Relationship Management, SAP Supply Chain Management, and SAP Product Lifecycle Management. It was 2009 when SAP development priority connectors and interfaced all these platforms and launched them under the Business Suite 7 platform. So this was the approach. Different on-premise platforms surrounding the ECC ERP solution. Even today, SAP ECC customers have implemented satellite gravitating around ERP, on-premise and/or cloud-native solutions that surrounds ECC 6. The SAP approach remains the same. Even more satellites are now part of the so-called new SAP suite. The acquired cloud-native platforms, for instance, SAP Ariba Cloud for procurement and SAP SuccessFactors for HCM and many more. The glue, the platform that integrates all these separate instances in SAP, is BTP, the Business Technology Platform. The SAP suite architecture is called multi-instance and hybrid, a mixture of on-premise, private cloud and public cloud solutions. On the other hand, Oracle decided long ago to develop one cloud native that contains all solutions tightly, natively integrated, fused together, the so-called Oracle Cloud Fusion platform. The Oracle Cloud was written from the ground up, launched about 15 years ago by Oracle that believed that the future of the ERP is the public cloud, and modules are not integrated but better fused together. Oracle Fusion, the public cloud platform, provides a unified cloud instance that helps you break down silos so the processes can flow automatically end to end across departments and teams. With end-to-end processes, automation improves and manual work is reduced. Lines of business gains visibility into what other lines of business are doing. Management gains visibility across the business unit with more accurate reports across all divisions. Teams gain the insight, KPIs, and, most importantly, the time to focus on business strategy. Silos break down and the business begins working as one to develop innovative business models, products and services that outpace the competition. Because on the Fusion platform there is one data model with one master data management for all Oracle Cloud applications, with Oracle Analytics and innovations embedded on the same Fusion platform, these attributes maximize and optimize the business operational work on Oracle Cloud. In order to summarize the main differentiators of the Oracle Fusion Cloud platform, it has a robust security and scalability and allows flexible integration and connectivity. Fusion architectures a single unified enterprise system with embedded analytics and reporting. It constantly adapts in modern global accounting and incorporates emerging next generation technologies, leveraging second generation cloud infrastructure. Oracle has a complete suite of applications, all natively integrated and built together for the Oracle Cloud. We have the native built together applications, ERP, SCM, HCM, EPM and CX, etc. Separate cloud solutions with pre-built integrations with Fusion for logistics, transportation, warehouse and global trade management. All run on the Oracle infrastructure, all built for the cloud. Providing you a landscape of a number of technologies, let's just highlight two of these. Integration Cloud. We recognize that you will have non-Oracle solutions, whether inbuilt or third-party, such as Salesforce or Workday, and that we need to integrate with them. We have an integration cloud, but we also utilize other tools to enable the integration is as seamless as possible. Also, let's focus on security. That's vital to all our customers. Oracle Cloud Services operates under practices which are aligned with various standards, such as ISO, IEC, 27002 Code of Practice for Information Security Controls. Oracle Cloud Services are also aligned with National Institute of Standards and Technology. But what it really means in terms of business value to you is you have one representation because these aren't just different products that we built, these are products we built together. One representation of the person, whether that's an employee who also happens to be a manager or also happens to be a salesperson. Whether that means a part where you may use internally or sell externally. The employees belong to cost center, parts of cost centers, and financials. It eliminates all integration and gives you one single source of truth to more efficiently and more accurately manage your business in a fast way. When we talk about completeness of suite, that's really our business value. No integration necessary and a single source of truth to help you make better business decisions. Have you considered a total cost of ownership calculation? Have you taken everything into account, including upgrades, hardware, refresh bills, and bills from all vendors? In this slide, we underline another major difference between on-premise and cloud architecture, the cost estimate. In Oracle, cost estimates for cloud solutions implementations included basically everything, and compares that with other vendors who may charge you for the size of your database or access usage of resources during strategic workforce planning cycles. Some vendors will charge you for the SaaS solution, but you then get a separate bill from another vendor, such as Microsoft or Amazon, performing the hosting. This is not a predictable model because usage and databases tend to grow exponentially over time, and so will you build in that case. The costs under the surface will quickly become much higher than the visible costs above the surface. Not so with Oracle Cloud, the SaaS solution, because we offer an all-in service. You know upfront how much you will pay for our SaaS applications, irrespective of data size or resource consumption. To summarize, in this lesson, you've learned about comparing the architecture between legacy SAP ECC to the Oracle Fusion Cloud. Many thanks for watching.